water is constantly moving in various different forms. It moves in our oceans, it moves in our tides, it moves in our rivers, it moves in our canals, and therefore it is the most abundantly available source of energy for us. Hydropower in its current form is primarily used in dams, and therefore there is a limited capacity that hydropower can produce. The rest of the water which is flowing are still yet to be tapped. We are looking at a very, very large potential of hydropower. In this new world, we are looking for new sources of renewable energy because we have an increasing demand for electricity. We cannot keep depending on coal, gas, and oil for our power needs, and therefore new sources of renewable energy have to be developed in order to satisfy the needs of the growing world. So power loss during transmission is one of the largest causes for energy loss. It's at 20% in many parts of India alone, and in some cases it goes up to 30%. So that is looking at a huge power loss across the grid for transmitting power from point A to point B. Therefore, with distributed hydropower systems, we can hope to resolve these issues. We have used the primary way of making electricity is by making the water flow from the top of the dam where a turbine is placed to produce electricity. This method has been there for over the past 100 years, and we need to come up with a new method that doesn't require such an ecological change to the environment where these dams are placed. Therefore, we introduced a concept called damless turbines. Damless turbines is a concept based on highly efficient turbines which can be placed in slow-moving waters without the need to construct a dam. The force of water that is available in tidal currents, in ocean waters, and in canals and rivers are very predictable. These forces can be taken advantage of and converted into electrical energy. Because of the predictability, the power produced is also predictable. We needed all the support that we could get, and AIC JKLU has been instrumental in the growth of our company. AIC JKLU was able to find us two mentors to tell us more about the industry that we were going into, and also helped us then speak to investors in that industry who could invest in us and also guide us to the paths that could lead us to investment. We have worked alongside them in speaking and finding mentors. We've also spoken to investors for providing funding in the near future or in the distant future. And AIC has given us these resources at the drop of a hat without even asking in some cases.